This is Well and welcome to ACFX. So today here we are presenting our chart for gold that is on monthly time frame as well. We'll analyze for weekly and intraday also. So let's get started with the video and please try to watch the video till the end. I hope you will get some valuable knowledge which will be utilized through this week trading. Okay. So here we can see this gold chart. Okay, this price is ranging from past few years. You can say decades that prices are moving in an uprange. Okay, so clearly this suggests that gold is in an uptrend. Okay, so if you draw a line, trend line from this to this, we can see okay, gold is in an uptrend. Okay, still not, it is not in a downtrend. So let's quickly come to monthly time frame. We are already in monthly time frame chart. If I will draw a fib retracement from this level to the high, okay. So what we can exactly see, as we all know that this past 3 months, okay, from 1620 the prices has made a high of 1960. Okay, so from 1620 we can see like from 1158 to 2073, that is the high. So if you draw a retrace level, so exactly this we can see it is the 50% retracement where it is 1620. So prices has made a triple bottom in 1620 level, and from there it has reached to 1960, okay, without any retracement. So what we can expect, it doesn't mean that from this level, okay, from 1840 to the prices will again, it will break this highs and all, and it will reach to, we can say, like 2000 2200 in this few months. That might happen, but fundamentally also we have some aspects, so which is suggesting that okay, that this imbalance is what the price have created between this high and this high, and this movement that it has shown. If I'll switch to, okay, weekly time frame, okay. Yeah, weekly time frame. So this movement, the price should give a retracement. Okay, it should give a retracement. That is a good trend. Okay, it will go make a higher high, and then it will be retrace, then it will break the high. So that we expect. So prices always moves in waves, we know. Okay, so coming back to monthly time frame. Okay. Give me a second, guys, my net is a little slow. So yes, here we can see that prices has made a correct retracement 50% at 1620. So prices are moving back. So what I expect is like this prices give the retracement for this movement, okay, from 1620 to 1916. It gives a retracement of 50%, or let's say we say 61%, the golden ratio, and prices can move upwards. Okay, so here we can see it is making a channel. Okay, the prices are making a channel. If I draw a channel from here, okay, so so yes, so prices are moving in a channel in monthly time frame. So it is giving this wicks and all, so which clearly suggests from this level it is giving a good amount of rejection. Means yeah, there is a lot of supply pressure in these areas. So again it has reached this this channel high, and again it is started moving down. What we can expect is like okay, prices can break. I have made this trend line drawn. Okay, this is a kind of we can say quasimodo pattern. Okay, reverse head and shoulder, what we say. This is the high. Okay, I will draw the path. Okay, prices has come from this to this, then this. Yeah, so it has made a low, then up, and this is the shoulder, we can say, and this. Okay, so according to this yeah, chart pattern. Okay, so this is the pattern we say reverse head and shoulder, and this is a reverse Quasimodo pattern. If this prices break this trend line, okay, that is this 19, yeah, 19, which is 1940 something. So if the price test this area, we can see for a high. But right now, I'll delete this for the time being. Right now what we can see, this is also, I'll delete, yeah, let it be here. Let it be here. So if prices break this trend line, this line, if this break this trend line below 1835, okay, and it gives a test for this again 1840 area, we can expect that prices can move back again to 1620 or 1615 area. Okay, that is what it is in the monthly time frame, and what is this channel shows. So okay, let's come to weekly time frame. Okay, so as soon I'll delete this channel. Yeah, so what we can see, that price has done, yeah, it has shown a rejection from this trend line, and it is going to a supply, but still it hasn't broken this trend line structure. Okay, so if we will move to weekly time frame. Yeah, in weekly time frame, we can see, okay, I'll delete this old fib, monthly fib. Yeah, in weekly time frame, here we are. So this is a beautiful supply area on a weekly time frame. Okay, this is a beautiful supply area on a weekly time frame. So prices has rejected, you can see, okay, we got a beautiful rejection from the previous supply area. Again prices are tested that level, and it's a beautiful trade. Okay, it's a beautiful trade of almost around how many pips. Okay, let's see, it is from this to here is, yeah, we can see around 3830 pips, around 4000 pips move, guys. That is massive, that is very much massive. Okay, so what we can see, again the prices has reached this area. Okay, it has shown a beautiful rejection. We can see two doji candles pattern, and along with bullish engulfing, sorry, bearish engulfing. So according to structure and chart pattern, it is, we all know, it is a huge symbol for a sell. Okay, this is the beautiful supply area, and prices has reached the supply area, and it has shown two doji, and with the bearish engulfing, we say it's a morning star. Okay, so the possibilities are, okay, if prices break this trend line, okay, it's come here. Okay, let's come here, suppose, yeah, price break this trend line, okay, it has broken this trend line, it's given a test, so we can expect up to here. Okay, that is a long story, okay, so for holders, that is the story. Sorry guys, I'll delete this, but okay, so this is a supply area. So many of those who have catch this move, okay, you are running in well and good profit. Okay, so many of us, okay, has missed this move, so we want to catch this move. So we are expecting what we can do in gold right now. So in weekly, clearly we can see, so here if you see this area, prices has given a bullish engulfing, okay, in weekly time frame, and it has moved this far. Here again the story is same, we have double doji morningstar and with a bearish engulfing, so we can expect a better downwards move if we get a test of this area. So for getting the test of the supply zone and hidden supplies, we need to move to smaller time frame. Okay, so this is the supply area in weekly time frame, and yeah, so if we move back to daily chart, so in daily chart what we can see is that we can see a QMC sell pattern, Quasimodo continued sell pattern. How we can see that? See, the prices has made a higher high, okay, higher high, and we can see a lower low. Okay, so we say that this is a Quasimodo sell pattern. So it is very obvious that if prices came back to this area and test this area, we can get a good sell, entry sell. So likewise here also, uh, yes, from okay, so this is the supply area for the time being. So if we'll shift to smaller time frame, like say we say 4 hour, okay, we shifted to 4 hour. Okay, yeah, see, this is the Quasimodo cell pattern. This prices make a higher high and a lower low. So exactly this area is, so it, this area is very huge. Okay, so what we can do, we can mark the, we can see this is the fresh supply sell area. Okay, it is still fresh, market hasn't come this area to get tested. And we can see this wicks. Okay, this wicks is a beautiful supply area. This area, you can see this blue line. Okay, this blue line, I'll mark this area in a small zone. Okay, a small zone. What is this actually? This has became, you know, it was working as a support. Okay, this 1920 was working as a support. Prices were coming to this area, it was rejecting back, coming this area, rejecting, coming back, rejecting. Okay, it was a beautiful support. Okay, it has tried to break that support, but it couldn't. Again the price entered that area and tested, and we got a massive move. Okay, again his price has come to this area, but this time what prices did, it broke this area. So now it has become support become resistance. Okay, we call it a support become resistance. So if prices come to this area, okay, there is a higher possibility that prices will move down, as it is has became a support became resistance. Okay, we can say like it has tried to test this area and it went down. So properly we didn't got the test of this area. Okay, so let's for this we got this SBR zone, this supply area, this supply area. Okay, so what we will do, we will move to smaller time frame and look for a small zone for an sell entry. I'll delete this, as let it be here. I'll delete this, otherwise, yeah. So here we can see, okay, I'll delete this also, because we have this blue line. Okay, so we can use it as a like support became resistance. Okay, so also this we can see a candle over here. Okay, candle over here, this is a beautiful supply zone. Okay, also if we shorter this range, this becomes this, it is a 2 candle retracement area. Okay, so it is a better supply. Also here if you'll go, we can smaller this zone, this is a beautiful supply area. Also what we can see, it is a Quasimodo pattern. Okay, this area, if we move to 4H time frame, if we move to 4H time frame, okay, this pattern has, this is the higher high chain. Okay, prices made like this, we can say this low, this high, this low, and this high, and this low. Okay, okay, so this is the structure. So according to structure, this is the higher high, this is the high, and this is the higher high. For this one, this is the low, this is the low. Okay, and this is the lower low. So what we can see is that this is the left shoulder for Quasimodo pattern. Okay, QMC cell pattern, this is the left shoulder. So I'll draw another line from this area. This is the left shoulder. So it is very much possible that the prices will come and test this left shoulder, and we can see a good sell. Okay, so what is this actually area? This is, we can say this supply zone. It's from 1921 to 1924. Okay, so what I expect that next week prices come to this area, we can see a good sell from this area. Okay, we can see a good sell from this area also as well. Sorry, oops, yeah, this area from this area. Okay, again this would be the highest range from for the sell for next week. So if we'll see at the downward scenario, it has been created, we can see, okay, this prices were okay, I'll quickly delete all this. Yeah, so this was the trend line, it was following. Okay, it was moving to be precisely in a channel. Okay, so it is in 4x time frame. So prices has on Friday, you know, it has shown a massive move from 1823 area, and it has broken this trend line. So what we expect on the next week, it should test this trend line, and we can expect price to at the high most to this area. So this is a rule for trend line, this channel exactly. If a prices breaks the channel, it will come to test again the high of this channel. So first of all, we are looking for the target to be 1890. Okay, if we got a test of this trend line, okay, this trend line test, and we can expect the price till here. If the prices, your first TP should be here. Okay, if the prices breaks this area, so possibility, there is a very much possibility this prices will get this supply area, the prices get moved down. Otherwise it will break this area. We have another supply area. Okay, we have another supply area. So our SL should be above the supply area. Okay, it is a very much small zone up to like see 21 to 27 60 pips area zone, and we can keep our SL like 50 pips above, and we can expect a good move up to, we can say like till this area 1890 again to test this area. But it is very much possible that if prices will test this area, it will create a new low. Okay, as in monthly, I have shown you. Okay, as in monthly already I've shown you, we are moving in a channel. If prices again tests this area, okay, this area, it is very much possible that prices can reach up to this area 1570. That is okay, it's a long story. Okay, we won't wait for that long because we are intraday trader. So we will look for the entries in a smaller time frame. So let me shift to 30 minutes time frame. Yeah, yeah, clearly it's a beautiful, see, it was a beautiful trend. It was a, you say, yeah, I'll draw it for you. Prices are moving beautifully in a channel. Okay, now the prices has break the channel. We want a test of this channel, and we can expect the price to be again at 1890. Okay, 1890 first of all, and uh, yeah, and for this move, let me draw a Fibonacci this area to this low. We can see this is the 50%, 1854, and 1862 is the 61%, which is a golden ratio. Okay, if the price rejects from this area, okay, if the price breaks this area, it will reach to 1890, obviously, for sure. Okay, and if the prices breaks this high, the prices again will come. And it is obvious, for obvious, see, markets always moves in waves. Okay, we all know that. And it is very much obvious that whatever this imbalances has been created, we can see in this sell candle, it is a, from this area to this area, it is a huge imbalance. Okay, so it is for obvious, for sure, that market will come back to this imbalance area. It will mitigate the imbalances, and it will again sell off. Okay, so for this mitigation of imbalance, we have a good supply area over in this area, and this area. So we are expecting that prices will move to this area, and we will look for a good sell. So this is all about the next week, guys. I hope my views were valuable to you. Okay, and do not forget to comment in the comment section like what you guys expect, and what I should add on to my videos